Your credit score controls more of your life than you realize. It affects the interest rate you pay on loans, whether you get approved for an apartment, and sometimes even job opportunities. The good news is building credit in the United States is simple if you follow the right steps consistently. First, always pay your bills on time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Even one late payment can hurt you for years. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Second, keep your credit card usage low. This is called credit utilization. Ideally, you should use less than 30% of your available credit. If your limit is $1,000, try not to carry more than $300 on a card. Third, never close old credit accounts unless absolutely necessary. The length of your credit history matters. Older accounts help your score, even if you don't use them often. Fourth, avoid applying for too much credit at once. Every hard inquiry slightly lowers your score. Only apply when you truly need it. Fifth, if you're just starting out, consider a secure credit card or becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's account. These are safe ways to build credit without taking on major risk. Finally, check your credit report regularly. Errors happen more often than people think, and correcting them can instantly improve your score. Building credit is not about spending more money. It's about proving you can manage money responsibly. Do these things consistently, and your credit score will improve faster than you expect.